Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have one of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. For this week's Facebook group, I decided to host the theme and it is bird. It was quite open. Any, bird shadows or bird designs or anything like feathers could have been part of the manicures for this Facebook collab. And I decided to use one of the nail polishes that I received for polish pickup review from MoonShine Mani. So this polish will be available through polish pickup in February. It actually is bird related as well, so I think it's just a perfect combination, and that's why I decided to include it in today's nail art tutorial. So thank you Phoebe so much for sending me this polish, and you guys know that I do enjoy her nail polishes. On the other note, of course, I will link everybody's links in the description box, so once you are done watching my video, please go over to the other ladies' channels as well and show them some love. As always, if you do enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that are participating in this collab, then welcome, and I do hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, in that case, please also hit the subscribe button. Alright, so that's all for this long intro. As always, you will have the pictures at the end of the video, but if you have any questions or comments, just please leave them for me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye. you.